What's the meaning of boot? Boot. Boot.
Boot. Boot. The term boot can have various meanings depending on the context. The most common meaning of boot refers to the process of starting up a computer system, where the computer's firmware initializes the hardware and loads the operating system into memory. In this context, the result of a successful boot is that the computer system is ready to run software and perform tasks. In other contexts, boot can refer to a type of footwear that covers the foot and ankle. A boot can also mean the trunk of a car or the act of kicking something with one's foot. Overall, the meaning of boot depends heavily on the context in which it is used.